Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful Monday morning, and of course it is the time for the trending market for the week, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us a kind of proper guide throughout the week, so that we know what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, do your own personal research about it to know how it works, how you can make some cool cash with it, and of course if it is what you truly want to do before you go fully into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out for the week, and of course remember, we will be using the higher time frame in order for us to capture the whole chart very well, so that we will be able to give a proper analysis for the week. So you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading, because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a major reversal in price action on lower time frame. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay, in case you're wondering, I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and of course right here we are on daily time frame, and of course you can see right from this support zone it started a bull run. Okay, and of course it was on bullish at this point, because you can see the yellow flag. This is daily time frame guys. You can see the yellow flag, it kept on going up and up. You can imagine getting a buy signal from here till this very end. It's so unique guys. So these are actually been trying to pull out or to break out above this resistance zone, but it has not been finding it easy. So it has been playing within the resistance zone and this particular, okay, let me use this particular support zone. Okay, so it has been a play within this region. Right now it has given us a downtrend signal, a sell signal, and it has been selling, trying to get to this support zone. If it gets there and it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back up till it get to this resistance zone. But if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, we should take note of that. So this is on downtrend at the moment, except if it is unable to break out below that support zone, that is when it will go back on buy trend for a while. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Boom 500. This had also been on uptrend for a very long time, but after getting to this resistance zone it started selling. You can see the downtrend signal and it is still selling at the moment. We just need it to break out below this. Once it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more, so it will be selling down till it gets to this region. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than, more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so next asset is going to be Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000. This had been on downtrend for long, even though there are pullbacks of uptrend in between, and of course it's trying to go back up at the moment, but we need it to break out above this resistance zone or above this trend line. Once it breaks out below it, then above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so it has given us an uptrend signal, and which means it will be buying more at the moment. So we expect more of a buying opportunity, most especially till it gets to this trend line, and if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this should be giving us more of an uptrend within the next few days. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we'll be checking out more right away so that we get to understand how it works and of course what we should be looking for. Okay, so now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be Crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. So guys, this is Crash 500. It was on downtrend for so many weeks, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, which signifies an uptrend, and we only got this buy signal around here, and check it out, it has been buying since then, guys. This is so amazing. That is the beauty of this particular trading tool. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity, which is an uptrend. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Okay, so this is V75, and this had been on downtrend for a very long time. You can see it kept on selling and selling. It is at this support zone, trying to go back on buy trend right now, but we need it to break out below this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out, break out above this resistance zone, if it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, not until it breaks out above this resistance zone. That is when we can say it will buy more. Okay, so we should take note of all this. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy of Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.